You are most welcome, students, in the very second video lecture. Let's go to just do the exercises. If someone does not wear a uniform to school, what do you think the teacher will say? Definitely, if it is the valid reason, the teacher will try to know that the child has not worn the uniform for valid reason. He will excuse the child and just allow him to sit in the class. But if the child is in the habit of violating the rules and code of conduct of a school, he must be punished and sent out of the classes. When everyone wants to clear a sky, what does the rebel want most? Obviously, when everyone just wants the clear sky, the rebel wants rain. If rebel has a dog for a pet, what everyone else like to have? Definitely, when a rebel has a dog for pet, everyone wants a cat. Why is it good to have rebels? Definitely, around us there must be rebels because uh, we think and get lots of things. We cannot just we get a chance to do the same thing in different way, because the rebel don't want to just do the things in the same way. They have different way of thinking, different lifestyle, different doing the thing. So it is good to have rebels in our society, because they brings up lots of solution to the problem in our life. Why is it not good to be a rebel oneself? Definitely, no one wants disgrace. No one wants, you can say, criticism in life. Everyone wants to be praised and be happy and liked by each and everyone. Definitely, if you are going to be rebel, the people will criticize you, the people will humiliate you, the people will not give you respect. So everyone wants respect. If you become rebel, no one is going to just like you. So no one wants to be rebel in society. Would you like to be a rebel? If yes, why? If not, why not? It depends on you, students. Just you have to do this question on your own choices, because the preference of both is in front of you. If you become a rebel, then definitely criticism will come. But positive ways of this aspect is that you will get to do how to do the things in different way. And secondly, if you become a rebels, the people will criticize you. So it depends on you. You have to write your own way. Let's go to do this exercise. Find in the poem an antonym opposite in meaning each of the following words. Long, just you have to write as it has been given in poem only. Long, short, grow, cut, quickness, disturbance, sober, fantastic, lost, find. Now third question, number third. Find in the poem lines that match the following. Read both one after the other. The rebel refuses to cut his hair. इसका होगा आपका the rebel lets his hair grow long. दूसरा, he says cats are better. The rebel expresses the preference for dog. Third, he recommends dog. The rebel puts in a good word for dog. Fourth, he is unhappy because there is no sun. The rebel regrets the absence of sun. Fifth and last, he is noisy on purpose. The rebel creates a disturbance. Thank you.